Maternal and Child Nutrition Conference by Informa Markets is actually a wonderful initiative, because on this platform we are having cross-functional teams coming together. A conference like this definitely provides a platform to update our knowledge, interact, share ideas, and try the best strategy to put that into practice.
Personally, for me, this has been a very, very exciting experience. This is my first event after 2 years that I'm attending physically. And this always works way better than doing a virtual event, right? Because you get to interact with people longer, you're not time bound over here, and more ideas get exchanged when you're doing a physical event. So always appreciated over virtual events.
It's been almost 2.5 years since we had such a conference. So super exciting. I think great to meet all our customers, colleagues, friends. Very nice. And I think the agenda was spot on, right? Because we are talking about maternal health and nutrition. So these 1,000 days journey in a woman's life, I feel super important. Why? Because we are impacting the generations to come.